Good Saturday morning to you from the First Alert Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Jared Silverman. Wish we had better news for you this morning, but we are dealing with severe weather, tornado watches and warnings all across our viewing area. 67 degrees out your door. We don't have that much across San Antonio, and right now the city is not actively under any watches or warnings, so of course that is good news. Here's a look at the severe thunderstorm threat, although it really doesn't take into account that line that's moving in out of the west, so this leaves a lot to be desired as the day goes on. You can see the threat in the focal point will definitely lift out to the east. The two primary threats remain to be the same. It looks like hail, which, by the way, we've already had multiple reports of just that in the viewing area, even golf ball sized hail out to the west. The good news about flooding, we're not expecting any because the system's moving through so quickly, it's not going to have the time to create that. We've already had a couple of tornado warnings. We still have tornado watches now for the western half of the viewing area. Does not include San Antonio. And by the way, it looks like the computer model's got a good beat on the situation. Once we get to the afternoon, it looks like the rain chances really completely go away, as does the threat for severe weather. Here's the main area of low pressure, well-defined circulation, all the ingredients coming together to drop a squall line, a line of severe thunderstorms all the way back down to our western hill country. Now, this is the area. You can see ahead of it, we have a little bit of disturbed weather moving up the I-35, nothing severe on that. This thunderstorm cell right over here, though, that's the one where we actually had a tornado warning for west central Uvalde County. We don't have any confirmation that there ever were any tornado touchdowns, but now the tornado warning has been allowed to expire. Got the threat track up, heading towards Hondo 821, New Fountain about 8:30 in the morning, and it is moving in the general direction of Bexar County by about east of 20 miles per hour, so it is expected to hold together. Here's the hail that we have seen in those two clusters. The one over here, that's the one that produced hail in Uvalde, giving also hail in Brackettville, and then that secondary line, obviously that's producing hail right now as well. We've already seen a couple of pictures flow in. This is golf ball sized hail in Brackettville from KENS 5 viewer Ace Sanchez. We appreciate your pictures. Just do so and just take them as safely as possible and stay indoors if you can. Sizes of hail look like, for the most part, they're going to be around a quarter to golf ball size, which, by the way, is severe limits, and it is a little bit rare for this time of year in this area, but nevertheless, that's what we're dealing with. Mid-60s in Bernie and Kerrville, mid-50s out to the west in Del Rio, and once that upper trough swings on through, that's going to be it. The rain chances go away by this afternoon, and then they're going to stay away. Watch what I'm talking about. Once we get to about 11, 12 o'clock, that's it. Everything gets on out of here. Severe threats completely go away. Then the cold air moves in, and that's going to be here for Sunday morning. Forecast for today, rain and storms early, then increasing sunshine. Afternoon looking good, but it will become windy. We'll have a wind advisory in effect this afternoon. Still going to be breezy tonight and colder. Temperatures in the 40s, and that doesn't factor in the wind. 7-day forecast time. The rest of the forecast, we are left high and dry, so this morning's action is the most that we're going to have this week, and you can find that forecast anytime at KENS5.com. Marvin?
Thank you so much, Jared.